Hey WhatsApp users, ever wondered if your group message was seen by everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check who's seen your messages in WhatsApp group. It's super handy feature to make everyone's in the loop. Let's check it out. Head over to your WhatsApp, navigate to a group chat, then send a message. Click on send. Once you have sent a message, keep your tap on it and you see an option like I or info. Tap on it. Here you can see the option that is read by and delivered to. It shows the message is yet to deliver to one person and it is read by one also. So that's it. Now you can easily see who's read your group messages on WhatsApp. If you found this tip helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more WhatsApp tricks. Stay connected and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.